Welcome. Today we will explore on designing effective public awareness campaigns that truly inspire change. In a world where people are constantly bombarded with information, creating a public awareness campaign that genuinely captures attention and motivates action is both an art and a science. Effective campaigns do more than inform. They inspire, engage, and drive meaningful change in behavior, attitudes, or societal norms. The first step in designing a successful awareness campaign is understanding your audience. Knowing the demographics, interests, values, and challenges of the target group allows campaign designers to craft messages that resonate deeply. A message that appeals to teenagers may not work for senior citizens, and a campaign targeting urban communities may need a different approach than one aimed at rural populations. Research, surveys, and focus groups are invaluable tools for gathering insights and shaping a strategy that speaks directly to the audience's needs and motivations. Clarity and simplicity are essential in effective public awareness campaigns. In an era of information overload, complex or lengthy messages often fail to make an impact. Campaigns should communicate their core message quickly, using language and visuals that are easy to understand. Memorable slogans, striking imagery, and concise content ensure that the audience not only notices the campaign, but also retains the message. Repetition across multiple channels, social media, television, posters, and community events reinforces the message and increases its effectiveness. Emotional appeal is another critical element. People are more likely to act when they feel connected to a cause. Campaigns that evoke empathy, hope, or urgency can inspire real change. For instance, public health campaigns often use personal stories or relatable scenarios to make abstract statistics tangible. Environmental campaigns may highlight the impact of climate change on future generations, creating a sense of responsibility and immediate action. By appealing to both the heart and the mind, campaigns move beyond awareness to influence behavior. Interactivity and engagement significantly enhance the effectiveness of awareness campaigns. Instead of being passive observers, audiences should have opportunities to participate, share experiences, and contribute to the cause. Interactive websites, social media challenges, workshops, and community events encourage active involvement, making the campaign more memorable and impactful. When individuals feel that they are part of a larger movement, they are more likely to adopt desired behaviors and spread the message organically. Measuring impact is a vital yet often overlooked aspect of campaign design. Setting clear goals and key performance indicators, KPIs, ensures that campaign effectiveness can be evaluated. Metrics such as social media engagement, website traffic, event attendance, and changes in behavior provide insights into what works and what needs improvement. Feedback loops also allow for real-time adjustments, ensuring that the campaign remains relevant, engaging, and effective over time. Collaboration amplifies the reach and credibility of public awareness campaigns. Partnering with community organizations, influencers, government agencies, or educational institutions can extend the campaign's visibility and reinforce its message. Strategic partnerships also enable access to resources, expertise, and networks that may otherwise be unavailable, enhancing the campaign's overall impact. In conclusion, designing public awareness campaigns that truly inspire change requires a thoughtful blend of research, creativity, and strategy. By understanding the audience, simplifying the message, appealing to emotions, fostering engagement, measuring impact, and leveraging partnerships, campaigns can move beyond mere awareness to drive tangible behavioral and societal shifts. Effective campaigns not only inform, but also empower individuals to take action, creating lasting positive change in communities and society at large. Thank you for your patience hearing.